album. She's launched like 97 different businesses, had 14 engagements, divorces, made documentaries about her divorces, and a man in cargo shorts just obliterated that with 2 questions and a microphone. You can literally see her buffering in real time. She's literally looking at him like, what the fuck did you just ask me? I'm Jennifer Lopez, bitch. Look how confused. Look how confused she is. Like, she's confused. Lo and behold, this guy probably thought she was someone's mom leaving Pilates. And the man behind the camera doesn't know it yet, but he humbled her. Like, that wasn't that wasn't just a street interview for J-Lo. That was psychological warfare.